Hey everybody, I am back. I don't know what I'm gonna do, y'all. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Squirrels all in the gazebo tearing up my lights. Like, I literally don't know what to do. And tore all my little lights off. Thinking it's food. I'm just so over this house, I don't know what to do. I'm over it. I can't keep the yard clean. They keep throwing garbage out here. As quick as I clean it up, quick as they mess it up. I am on my way to my first shift. I am Michelle from Michelle's home. I don't know, y'all. I haven't seen them up in there ever. Now all of a sudden they up in there. But anyway, if you're a subscriber, thank you. If not, please hit that subscribe and that notification. I would appreciate it. Oh, I did my relaxer yesterday. It turned out okay. It was burning a little bit because I had scratched my head, but it's all right. I'm on my way to my first shift job. I don't have anything planned today because I got to work the second shift, y'all. I got to work the second shift. I'm finna, on my break, I'm gonna call and see if I can come in tomorrow and get my oil change and some brake fluid put in, see how much that is, and for them to fix this mirror. Cause it's still hooked up, but it keep falling, it's loose. And like I said before, my husband did it, but he won't say he did it. But he did it. He definitely did it. Ain't nobody else drive this car. You know? Oh, I just wish I could pack, y'all. I wish I could pack and just leave. But unfortunately, I can't leave like that. Unfortunately. Oh, this car is so filthy. I need to get it washed. Or I need to wash it well, I'll get it washed once they fix this mirror. But anyways, how you guys doing? How your week going? Yeah, I'm at Family Dollar. Why they got Halloween shit decorations out already? Like, this is crazy. I say crazy, y'all. Look at it. These pumpkins. Like, this is a mess. All the way down. Look, Halloween candy. Like, it's still July. It's crazy. All the way, we gonna go down there and see. Look, y'all. The mats, the pumpkins. Look, oh, that's pretty though. I like that one over there. With these two pumpkins at the door. And then that mat down there. That is cute. Hey, y'all, hey. I just got off work. Oh, I'm at my first shift. Then I gotta go get the car checked out, the oil change, all that good stuff. Hi, I'm Michelle from Michelle's Home. If you guys don't know, uh, my vlogs are just normal stuff: cooking, cleaning, shopping, working. Yeah. But yeah, my heel is killing me. I don't understand what's going on. But I'm at my second shift. I'm a little early. So I'm just sitting in the car. My heel is killing me, y'all. It's literally killing me. Take this thing off before I go in this other job. Oh, okay. Oh, I will pick you guys back up when whew, when I get ready and go to the car dealership so they can do my oil change and my check my brakes. And alright guys, I'm here getting my car done. So all wings men. Yeah, I'm here at Buick on oh yeah, that's easy. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So you can keep contract of your own. Yeah. I told you. It's been emotional. Been going through a lot. But I'm just gonna see how it goes. Hey guys, how y'all doing? I am home. I have gotten dressed, and we are going out to eat. Me and my babies. I gotta open my eyes up. So yeah, we are going out to eat. Did my hair, put a little makeup on, little lashes. I got my new outfit on. A little leopard rings, ring or here or there. All right, y'all, this is my drink. What is it called? The bombshell from Chili's. Look, they done already drank most of theirs. My God. Most is crazy. Look at that. And that was because of me. And then we got us some chips. And then we're going to get different food. And I'll show y'all that when it comes. Yo, this food is so good. These ribs are so tender. So good. Look at that. That ranch. Before I get copyrighted. So yeah, I took a shower, did my hair, no makeup today. Yesterday we went to Chili's, me and my baby girls. Had us some drinks. Had us some good food. Even though I was tired. Then we, sorry about that. Even though I was tired, we left Chili's and went to the strip mall in Menominee, and we went to TJ Maxx. I got a few things. I'm gonna show you that when I get home. And then we went to what was that store? Oh, Five Below. And I got this cute mirror, y'all. So cute. $10. It's like a mirror slash little vanity thing for your makeup or perfume or whatever. It's really cute. I should have got two of them, look like a little vintage picture frame mirror with the little curly cues. Yes, I should have gotten two, but that's okay. I can still go back and get another one. Yeah, put them in my bathroom. Once I move, I go look at a house tomorrow, and then I go look at one Saturday. So yeah, just got my little blue jumpsuit on. Nice, cool summer jumpsuit. And some nice and comfortable and loose. Yeah, some nice and comfortable and loose. It's supposed to be 87 today. So yeah, I'm gonna go to work, and then I'm gonna get off and go get my nails and feet done. Alright guys, I'm here at nail spa getting my nails done, my feet done. Oh, this. First, I want to show you guys my nails. I got my nails done. They look so cute. Something for me. I got my feet done soon, but I don't feel like moving. And then also my sister made some chili and put me some in a bowl. And that's what I'm having right here, guys. A nice bowl of chili. I'll show you what I got yesterday from Five Below and TJ Maxx. So first, I got this gilded display shelf. It's for makeup, perfume, whatever you want to put in there. I think I'm going to go back Saturday and get another one. I love this. It got the little shelves in here, and then it's glass in the front. So cute, right? It goes on the wall or on the table. That's for the bathroom. And I also got some mascara from Isme. 2 bottles. One is argan oil twin pack. Volumized argan oil mascara. I also got me some face towels, disposable, from Spa Bella. It comes with 50 in the pack. 50 in the pack. And then I got some 2 Chick Ultra Moisture Super Moist Anti-Frizz Binding Serum Oil. And I got this. Now, this came from Five Below, and the rest came from TJ Maxx. I got these, y'all. These are so, look at that. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I am loving my nails, y'all. Ooh, I need some oil on it, but I love them. So yeah, they were $9.99. I love these. Like, are you kidding? Look at that. I'm back. About to go get my girls from work, and then they gonna go to the grocery store with me. Get a few things. Y'all like my nails? I love them. Hey guys, we are back from this grocery store. I got a dozen of eggs, 2 croissants, romaine lettuce. We're going to try it. Some cilantro, some green onions, apples, peaches, plums, cucumbers, vanilla wafers, some taco seasoning. We're going to try these berries, strawberries and blackberries. I got 4 teas, Simply Nature, raspberry and lemon, lactose milk, coconut water, some Nutella, sour cream, a salad, Southwestern, strawberry applesauce, some pure Irish butter, 3 ground beef, a watermelon, 2 chicken thighs, 2 pizzas, chicken breast and turkey, shrimp, some pasticas, bagels, wheat and white bread, wavy chips, and some organic popcorn. What else? Oh, paper plates and 2 big things of water. And from Dollar Tree, we got banana pudding, chocolate, mixed chocolate and vanilla, butter, no, what is this? Tapioca, a scrub daddy, some pudding, Jello, lemon lime, berry, and strawberry. Some more pasticas, dumplings, and some Twizzlers. That is all, guys. I'm about to clean this refrigerator out and put this food up, and I'm gonna relax. I'll see y'all tomorrow. That's down there. This over here. Peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers, the watermelon, plums, and peaches, condiments, all of that. And then down here, I know we ain't supposed to be here, but I'm going to wash them and see how it works, because I can't do it no more. And then the freezer, and then down here. Alright. Hey y'all. This is Michelle from Michelle's Home. I am on my way to work with my grandbaby in tow. Alright, this is the windows, the living room, kitchen, nice size windows. Huh? You like the bathroom? I said I didn't like it. Why? What's wrong with it? Oh, that's easy to come out. You have a basement too?
Yeah, it's right around the corner there.
Okay.
Right here.
You found another closet?
It's a spider down there.
Oh, I can't do no spiders. He said it's a spider. It's backyard though. Well, how far do the yard go to the fence?
Line back there, I'd imagine, or
Oh, it ain't too bad.
probably to where that fence is. There's a fence
Oh, they got a
Right.
football. You see that football right there?
Okay, we gonna get a big bag so we ain't got to buy none. We're gonna get this, y'all, for $25.
I had that for days and days and days.